I'm Geeta. I was having ear discharge for almost more than a year, and I was taking treatment from Manipal. But every time I go, they used to clean my ears, and they used to tell from where the discharge was coming. They were unable to find out, but they used to give me ear drops. I used to come back, and I went to some other doctor. They gave me antibiotic. So whenever I used to take antibiotic, the discharge stops. The moment the antibiotics I am stopping, the discharge again starts. So skip repeatedly till from last July it started. It continued almost in March because of lockdown, all that. I couldn't consult any other doctors. But it so happened that I consulted Dr. Anita Krishnan. So she referred me to Dr. Sampath Chandra Prasad and his assistant Dr. Kavita. So I first met with Dr. Kavita, and Dr. Kavita said there is something serious in that. We will decide after a week on a follow-up. Then I met Dr. Sampath Chandra Prasad, and he gave me a suggestion to take a scan of skull bone. Then I took the scan. When I took the scan, they found out that there is some discharge in the bone near my ear. I was diagnosed as skull-base osteomyelitis, and they suggested me a surgery which I have to undergo. So I agreed for that immediate surgery, and I underwent the surgery on November 6th at Full Spectra, done by Dr. Sampath Chandra Prasad and Dr. Kavita and team. And I feel very grateful to them for having diagnosed it correctly and done the surgery perfectly. And after a month of follow-up today, I feel that I'm very happy that I could sleep after many years continuously for 10 hours. And I am ever grateful for these two doctors who diagnosed it on time and made me to live comfortably without any pain for my ear. Thank you.